Hey guys, this is Philip here from Innovative Auto Creations. We're here today to talk to you guys about our JT Gladiator conversion kit. You can find more info on Instagram or Facebook at Innovative Auto Creations. This kit is made to fit the 2018 JL Wranglers, and it also fits the 2020 Jeep Gladiators, which was our target market actually for this, was to make when we heard the Gladiator was coming out while we were building this, that's really what we were targeting towards, was making this front end to fit the 2020 Gladiator so that people could have that retro look on their Jeep Gladiator trucks. R&D on the front end on this thing took us probably about 8 months, and we were doing like 60 to 70 hour weeks, reconstructing the hood and building the front grille to be like a bolt-on part. So there's a lot that went into it, and the way this kit goes together, there's no modifications. It's basically just swapping out your grille and your hood, and that took a lot for us just to figure out how to make this to be like a seamless and easy install for the end user.